Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 7, and today I'll show you how you can apply a tempered glass to it. So I'll start off by saying that I'll be applying some tempered glass for a different device, but because, as you will see, it's just basically perfectly fitted to it. There we go. I don't think it makes much of a difference. Now it does cover, in my case, the camera, which I believe in normal circumstances it would not do so. But still, for me this is perfect, so that's what I'm going to be using. So apart from the tempered glass, once you have yours, what you probably want to do is figure out if you have a tempered glass that has one side to peel off or two. I have just a single side to peel off, as you can see, based on the fact that there's only one sticker. But there's cases where you will have something along these lines. Let's quickly grab it, there we go. So this is not tempered glass, it's a flimsy one, like a plastic one, but it just kind of showcase what I mean. So in here, and this shows a start and finish, but in certain cases it will be like 1, and then similar it will just say 2. So what you want to do is not always peel off number 1, and this will always, I believe, reveal the sticky side, the one that you will want to apply to the actual screen. So as you can see, start would reveal the sticky side on this thing, and I'll just slap it and then finish off by peeling off the protective layer from the actual glass. This is flimsy one, but still, like I said, it should basically work the same way. Now, in my case, I will be applying a tempered glass that only has this one side to peel off, which just reveals the sticky side on the glass, and I'll just then slap it on like so. So what you always peel off is the protective layer. Now, anyway, apart from the glass and just some kind of foam to keep it safe, you should also, there we go, find one of these things, a wet and a dry wipe. You can use those if you don't have anything better. Sometimes keep in mind they might be dry, both of them, just because they've been laying for a while, so that is normal. You can yeet those out, and if you have a microfiber cloth, that's what I recommend using. It's obviously much bigger, much more comfortable to use, and does the job just as well. So that is what I will be using. Now to get started, you'll want to clean off your display. So any kind of grime that you have on there, fingerprints, dust, you want to get rid of it as much as you can. You want to have just basically like pristine screen without any kind of thought on it. So once it's clean, as you can see, mine is almost, there's like one speck of dust or two of them that I can see right here, barely, but that's fine. I'll go and wipe it off after I am ready. So I do recommend keeping your microfiber cloth just close because we will use it in a second. So what I will do once I'm ready to apply it is I'll just peel this off, then take the microfiber cloth, give it just a couple gentle passes just to get rid of any kind of dust, and then I'll apply it. Now when it comes down to applying, as you can see, I do have a just a case on my device, which you can keep it on yours if you want to. It might help you actually apply the glass because you can use the case itself as a bumper for the tempered glass, because as you will see, it just drops in here perfectly, and the case will act as a bumper for the glass, so it won't go outside of the case. If you manage to kind of like place it like this so it's sticking out, it won't apply all the way, so it will also be easier just to lift it up from there and realign it to the correct position. And the way you can do it easily to apply it is just kind of have one edge lifted, just get it to the edge right here, maybe push it just a millimeter away, make sure that it is in the middle so it's not too close to either edge, and then while pressing it down so it doesn't like slide away, you'll just drop it on here, and hopefully it will drop correctly. Or you don't even need to drop it, you can just like slowly lay it down, and if you see that it's kind of going too much to the one side, you can re-lift it, realign it, and then place it back down. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So now that we get that out of the way, let's just kind of get to it. think it's in here correctly, but I'm not exactly sure. Normally, when you place it down, it will start like spreading. You will see that it's gluing itself, but right now it's only started right here, and it's not really moving. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of a, there we go, I guess this, and it looks to be going correctly. Just a little bit of a lift off right here. There we go. So there we go. As you can see, it's perfectly covered the entire display. Let's see if the fingerprint still works, so that's great. And yeah, there we go. That's how we can apply a tempered glass to this phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.